Welcome back to the Ministry of AI podcast. In today's episode, we're diving into a fascinating research paper titled Beyond Replacement or Augmentation: How Creative Workers Reconfigure Division of Labor with Generative AI, authored by Clarke and Joffe. This paper tackles a pressing question. How are creative professionals not just replacing their roles with AI, but actively transforming the way they work alongside it? With the advent of tools like ChatGPT, the conversation often swings between two extremes. Are we looking at replacement or augmentation? Clarke and Joffe challenge this dichotomy, suggesting a more nuanced relationship. They propose that creative professionals are reshaping the division of labor dynamically through their interactions with generative AI. They achieved this by conducting 17 ethnomethodologically informed interviews with professionals across various creative agencies. This qualitative approach allowed them to observe how workers define roles and responsibilities in collaboration with these AI tools, capturing the intricate ways professionals reassess and delegate tasks. The study presents three key contributions. 1. It frames AI prompting as a form of reflexive delegation. Essentially, how creative workers craft AI collaborators that fit unique workplace needs. 2. It emphasizes the importance of boundary repair. Workers must continually adjust AI's role boundaries to maintain clarity and accountability in a collaborative setup. 3. It introduces the concept of interpretive templatized trust, where creative professionals adapt AI outputs to uphold trust with stakeholders. So what does this all mean? First, it highlights how creative workers actively manage the role of AI in a way that ensures both accountability and quality. This dynamic emerges as crucial for creative industries grappling with AI integration. However, the paper also acknowledges limitations. It's primarily focused on the perspectives of creative workers, which suggests the need for further research that includes diverse workplace environments and roles. In summary, Clarke and Joffe's insights underpin the evolving landscape of work with AI, indicating that the future will not only see AI as a tool, but as an active collaborator that requires engagement and adaptation from human counterparts. Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To advance your AI knowledge further, check out our free courses at the Ministry of AI. You'll find the link in the description below. Until next time, podcast outro music fades out.